Greenland is a land of superlatives. Nature here operates on a scale that's hard to fathom. Ice is not just frozen water. It is a living, moving entity. It has shaped the land and lives for millennia. Huge glaciers carve through ancient mountains. They release colossal icebergs. Those icebergs drift into deep, silent fjords. This is the world's largest island, yet one of the most sparsely populated places on Earth. The emptiness isn't empty. It holds a profound silence, a pristine light, a sense of immense, raw power in the air. Visiting Greenland is not like any other trip. It's a journey to the front line of our changing planet. The ice sheet covers about 80% of the island. It holds secrets of our climate's past and clues to its future. Seeing this grandeur is humbling. It connects you to Earth in a primal way. Greenland also hosts vibrant life. Hardy plants cling to rocky tundra in summer. Whales patrol the icy waters. Their quiet breaths echo across the bays. For thousands of years, the Inuit have built a resilient, rich culture. The appeal lies in the combination of ice, culture, quiet. For those who want to disconnect from modern noise and reconnect with something fundamental, you won't find sprawling cities or crowded tourist sites. Instead, small, colorful settlements dot the coast. Landscapes feel vast and untouched. Another world. A world before our time. This journey needs a different mindset. The weather is unpredictable and powerful. Travel is dictated by the seasons and the ice. Remoteness is real. Planning is essential. Prepare for the cold. Respect the power of the sea. Move at the pace the Arctic allows. With preparation comes the reward. A chance to witness unparalleled beauty, to experience deep peace, to gain a new perspective on our planet and our place within it. This guide is designed to help you prepare for that journey. It is created for the first-time visitor, the curious traveler who feels the pull of the Arctic but is unsure where to begin. Think of this as your practical roadmap. It will take the magnificent and sometimes intimidating idea of visiting Greenland and break it down into clear, manageable steps. We will walk you through the entire process, from the first spark of an idea to the moment you step onto the plane home, filled with memories of ice and light. The goal is to give you the confidence to plan your own adventure, safely and thoughtfully. Our roadmap will cover every essential aspect of your trip. We will start with the fundamental questions: when to go and how to get there. Greenland's seasons transform the landscape entirely. The endless daylight of the midnight sun, the dancing spectacle of the northern lights. We will explain the best times for your specific interests. We will also detail the travel routes, flights from Denmark or Iceland, then a network of smaller planes and boats between towns. Next, we will help you imagine what your trip could look like. Sample itineraries for different lengths of stay, the famous Ilulissat ice fjord, the vibrant capital of Nuuk, the wild fjords of the East Coast. Top sights and activities: sailing among giants of ice, hiking across the tundra, learning about Inuit culture directly from local people. This section helps you build a trip that matches your pace and passions. Finally, we address practicalities for a smooth, safe experience. Realistic budgets, accommodation, tours, food. Detailed packing list for the Arctic climate. Most importantly, safety. Health considerations, travel insurance, and navigating this wild environment responsibly. With this guide in hand, you will be well equipped for a breathtaking, rewarding journey. The great ice is calling. Let us begin the preparation. Deciding when to visit Greenland is the first and most important choice you will make. This is a land of dramatic seasonal shifts. Each season paints the landscape in a completely different light and offers a unique set of experiences. Unlike many other destinations, the time of year you travel here does not just affect the weather, it determines what you can see and do. The Arctic operates on its own clock, governed by the sun and the ice. Understanding its rhythm is key to planning a successful journey. Think about what you most want to experience. Is your dream to sail among colossal icebergs under a sun that never sets? Or is it to stand in the silent cold and watch shimmering green curtains dance across the night sky? Your answer to this question will point you to the right season. The Greenlandic summer from June to August is a time of incredible energy and life. The defining feature is the midnight sun. This is the prime season for most sightseeing and outdoor activities. The milder temperatures make it comfortable to be outside. Winter in Greenland from December to March is a polar opposite, yet just as profound. This is the season of the polar night. But this darkness is the perfect canvas for the northern lights. Winter is also the season for traditional Arctic activities: dog sledding, snowshoeing, and seeing the landscape draped in a blanket of white. Reaching Greenland is the first step of the adventure itself. All international travel is by air. Main gateways: Denmark, Iceland. The main international airport is Kangerlussuaq, SFJ, on the west coast. From Denmark, you can fly directly from Copenhagen to Kangerlussuaq year-round. Another popular option is to fly via Iceland. These flights connect to towns like Nuuk, Ilulissat, and Kulusuk. Once you arrive, you'll find no roads between towns. Therefore, domestic travel is by air or by sea. These flights and sailings are lifelines connecting scattered coastal communities. Keep in mind, all travel in Greenland is subject to the weather. Flights and sailings can be delayed or canceled. Build flexibility into your itinerary. Now that we understand the seasons and how to reach Greenland, we can begin to imagine the shape of your journey. This section offers sample itineraries for inspiration. We will explore 3 different paths: a short 4 to 6 day taster, a standard 8 to 10 day journey, and a 14-day explorer itinerary. A short trip focuses on the Ilulissat Ice Fjord, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's an intense but deeply rewarding introduction to the world of ice. A longer journey allows you to explore 2 regions, balancing culture in the capital, Nuuk, with the monumental nature of Ilulissat. A 2-week deep dive opens up more remote areas, like the volcanic landscapes of Disco Island, for those who love hiking and immersing themselves in wild environments. Sailing among the icebergs is a must-do. A sunset cruise in the Ilulissat Ice Fjord is an unforgettable, magical experience. Witnessing a calving glacier like Eki is a raw, powerful display of nature at work. Hiking is one of the best ways to experience the landscape, with trails ranging from easy coastal walks to challenging backcountry treks. Whale watching in the summer is a major draw, with several species frequenting the nutrient-rich waters. In winter, dog sledding is not a novelty. It's a living cultural tradition and an authentic way to travel. And finally, connecting with Greenlandic culture through a museum visit, an artisan workshop, or a traditional kafemik provides a deeper understanding of this resilient land and its people. As you move from dreaming to planning, let us recap the final checklist. First, choose your season. Second, book your international and domestic travel far in advance. Third, craft an itinerary that is both ambitious and flexible. Fourth, assemble your essential kit. Layers are key. Pack a base layer, a fleece mid-layer, and a waterproof, windproof outer layer. Sturdy boots are non-negotiable. Fifth, secure comprehensive travel insurance. Make sure it includes medical evacuation. This is your most important safety net. Finally, engage with Greenlandic culture with respect and an open heart. No photograph or film can truly capture the feeling of standing before a glacier that is kilometers wide, or the sound of a whale breathing in the silent waters of a fjord. This journey will change your perspective. You are witnessing a vast climate archive and standing on the front line of climate change. Remember to travel slowly and with intention. The true magic of Greenland reveals itself in the quiet moments of observation. Go and see the land of the great ice. Go and sail among giants of frozen ancient water. It is a journey that requires effort, but the rewards are immeasurable. The adventure of a lifetime is waiting for you.